Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is likely the wave B right here, but there really is no confirmation that it's over. The confirmation on this time frame that tells us that we are going into like a 3-month downtrend is a break of structure, which is actually way down here. Unfortunately, the only thing we really know right now is that this wave is over. This move down still could end up being just a pullback to the uptrend, and it definitely could end up continuing up pretty easily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like what's going on is it looks like it made an impulsive move down, like this is potentially an A or a one. Maybe we're now in either a wave B or a wave two, which would be a correction to the wave A or wave one. So I still think there's a good chance we are going to get another thrust down. And then this is where it's going to become important to try to figure out if it's a C or a three. If it is a C, it would likely go to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then turn back up in a big way. If it's a wave three, it would probably still bounce from some fib levels, but it would never break structure, and it would just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So we definitely want to, continue to look for shorts and hopefully still continue to learn and earn whether this is going to turn into a wave C or whether it is going to be a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.